Into the falls in Iguassu National Park. Basically, we're going to the Devil's Throat, which is apparently the coolest part of the falls. So, yeah, stay tuned. Approaching the Devil's Throat. Looks pretty damn cool. Can't wait to see what it's all about, but it looks intense. Definitely getting quite wet here. Pretty awesome though. It's like unreal. The amount of waterfalls here is just crazy. Sheer power is just incredible. Wow. Waste of time, really.
Yeah. Well, we're not waste, but it's something that you
gonna be the same thing. Yeah. Absolutely amazing. Definitely one of the wonders of the world. Absolutely fantastic. I can't believe we call Niagara Falls a falls, because this is just crazy. This is amazing. This seriously puts Niagara Falls to shame. Yeah. Hard to imagine sometimes that this is actually real. Absolutely crazy. Oh my gosh, double rainbow! You know that YouTube video? Double rainbow all the way? Oh my god! This guy's freaking out about double rainbow. He's never seen one, he's all on drugs and just starts yelling, double rainbow all the way! Power of the falls! It's awesome. I'm definitely getting very wet, but well worth it. I like getting wet. Ready! There you have it. That was Iguassu Falls here in Argentina. It's kind of funny. I'm going back to Brazil now. Because tomorrow I'm actually going to Paraguay for the day, and back to Brazil to fly out back to Rio. But yeah, it's definitely really, really cool. Very happy I came here. Very cool to see. And I think that is all I have to say for today. Have a good night, folks.